Hello.
Hello,
Hmm.
my brother Anjanelu from Hyderabad.
Please tell me, Tamil Khan.
Uh, you know Hindi?
Tell me, bro.
मैं
बोलो.
एक्चुअली मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ.
बोलो बोलो.
जो त्रिपुरा का लोग है ना हैदराबाद में, उनका जो भी प्रोग्राम्स जो भी है मैं देखता हूँ एक्चुअली लास्ट 3 ईयर से.
हम्म.
अभी आपका किंग आ रहा है ना इधर हैदराबाद में, मैं सुना 13 तारीख
जी
को,
जी
30th
जी
को.
जी जी.
आप एग्जाम्पल देखिए भैया, आप रहता बेंगलुरु में,
हम्म.
हम रहता हैदराबाद में.
आपका नाम क्या बोला?
Anjaneyulu. I am not Tripura, but I am responsible for Tripura in Hyderabad.
ओके.
अभी तक जो भी प्रोग्राम्स है पूरा राजभवन तरफ
हम्म.
से, जो भी तेलंगाना में, मैं उन लोगों को सपोर्ट करता हूँ, मैं उन लोगों को
हम्म.
एवरीथिंग मदद करता हूँ.
हम्म.
आपका सारा किंगर है, ऑल
हम्म.
और वेलकमिंग.
हम्म.
दैट इज द ऑल त्रिपुरा पर्सन हीरो.
हम्म.
नहीं, मैं आई एम वन स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट. वी आर इन
हम्म.
Hyderabad.
हम्म.
Our people will come to Bangalore. They will organize in program without information, without example. आपका नाम मेरे का डेविड भैया है क्या? आपका आपका नाम क्या था?
दिनेश दिनेश.
दिनेश जी, व्हाट योर ओपिनियन, थिंकिंग?
See, okay, let me tell you clarity on this, okay? We run an NGO. We are a
Okay,
foundation,
this is for
okay?
your Bangalore NGO, not for Hyderabad.
No,
Okay,
no, no. Listen, my brother. Listen to me in the first place, okay?
okay,
We run an NGO all over South, not only in Bangalore, but also in
okay. No,
Hyderabad,
so
in
okay,
Kerala, and
okay,
in
okay.
Chennai,
South, okay, no
okay?
issues.
In the whole South.
Yeah,
It's not
south,
just
south,
of Bangalore.
south, south. I know
Yeah,
south,
yes,
south.
yes. I am completely responsible for the South.
Okay,
Now, because Maharaj is connected and we all connected together, we have a team in Hyderabad as well. So we, as an organization, we are organizing an event in every states,
okay,
including Chennai and Kerala as well.
okay,
On 13 we have on in Hyderabad, on 14 we have in Bangalore, on
okay.
17 we have in Kerala,
Yes.
and on 21st we have in Chennai.
Yes, wonderful. Yes.
So that is why, see, I have called the other team members or other members who are there, say Tripura, Hyderabad Tibrasa Thansa, that society welfare group. I
Okay.
have called them as well, saying, come, let's do it together. I have asked them to send me their logo so that I can put their logo in the poster, saying, let
Okay.
us do it to
Okay.
welcome our Maharaj in Hyderabad, so
Okay.
that all the Tripuri people can come together
Okay.
and organize this event to welcome him in Hyderabad.
Who organized in Hyderabad? You organized, all Maharaj organized.
Yes.
Who organized?
I organized the whole South.
How many people you know in Hyderabad?
So far, all the Tripuri people probably around 300-400.
Yeah. Actually, I'm telling you, if your program success in Hyderabad,
Mm.
without move Tripura Tansa Hyderabad Telangana Association,
Mm.
they are working last 4-5 years in Hyderabad. Okay, you are responsible for your Maharaj. I am respect you, but don't ignore this local
I have,
organization. No, no, no.
listen,
Don't, no,
my
no.
sir.
Please, please, please.
Let me clarify again another point.
Dinesh bhai, you are working for your Maharaj. I respect you, but you don't divide and rule.
I have not done it.
No, no, no.
Bro,
You
I
are
have not done it.
you and your people
No,
are
no,
doing
no.
this.
No,
I'm not.
let me clarify this.
I am
Ezekiel, you
not
said your
responsible
name is
person,
Isaac,
but
right?
I am calling you. I am not a
Okay,
person.
yeah,
I am calling
I
you.
got your point.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
why
yeah, yeah,
let
yeah.
me clear you
No, no, no.
beforehand before you come and
No, no.
question me anything.
I came Delhi. I met your Maharaj in Jantar
Mm.
Mantar. You don't know,
Mm.
maybe.
Okay.
David Anna is by walk. He came to Delhi.
Yes,
He's my
yes,
friend.
yes.
I am looking all northeastern programs in Hyderabad,
Okay.
from Rajbhavan
Good.
side,
That's really nice.
and from
Mm.
BJP side.
Mm.
I'm the NGO, but I am
Mm.
not involving this program. But
Mm.
I am requesting you, don't divide and rule. Don't go to British rule. No, no,
Let
no.
me tell you clearly, my brother. You
Vijay,
are
no, no, no,
going
no,
to a
no, no,
wrong
no,
direction at
No, no,
this
no,
point.
Vijay Dev Burma, Vijay Dev
Let me tell
Burma.
you, my
No, no,
brother.
no,
Be
no,
clear.
no,
Be clear about
no,
Bijoy
no,
Devarma. I'll tell you what
no,
about
no,
Bijoy
देखो,
Devarma.
मैं आपका प्रोग्राम सक्सेस होने के लिए मैं आपको फोन कर रहा हूँ, नहीं तो दिस इज नॉट माय मैटर, नॉट माय जॉब
I
आल्सो.
would need a help. I need a help.
नहीं नहीं
Okay.
नहीं, you
I
need
need a
help.
help.
नहीं नहीं, you need help. Without Vijay Dev Burma in front of the figure in Hyderabad, you're not success in Hyderabad. Your
Okay,
program.
let me ask you, my brother, who is Bijoy Devarma now?
Tripura Tansa Hyderabad president.
How
You don't
is
know?
Bijoy Devarma known today?
Huh?
Do you have any idea how is Bijoy Devarma known today?
Means
No, any idea how did Bijoy Devarma come into the picture as a leader in Hyderabad?
he's a Tripura.
Do you have any idea about it? Do you know the history about it?
Yeah, tell me.
I'll tell you. I am the one who had appointed Bijoy Devarma as the leader in Hyderabad.
Why you are not approaching Vijay
Listen,
Devarma?
I'm telling, let me clear my point, okay? I know you might have got wrong information or they might have given you some other information. But let me clear you this.
No.
Listen, to be clear, let me clarify myself first. You're not giving me a chance to talk, my brother.
One thing you don't know, already Raj Bhavan also planning to conduct a big Northeast event in Hyderabad.
That
Northeast, सुनो, आप सुनिए पहले. Northeast is going to, Raj Bhavan is planning to conduct a big Northeast festival in Hyderabad, cultural festival in Hyderabad, the 13th December. Same time, same day. Okay, hello.
Same day.
Same day, same time.
But that hasn't been informed to us.
Yes, not right. I am the in charge for Raj Bhavan all Northeastern programs. I am the coordinator Northeast.
Okay, I'm sorry, I missed your name.
Anjanelu. I informed to Raj Bhavan. 13th December, your king is coming from Tripura. It's not possible. I told them. Maybe.
I'll meet you.
No. I informed them that that day king is coming from Tripura. It's not possible. I told them. Okay.
Why will it not be possible?
King is coming. Though programs who is a clash.
Okay. Yes, that is understandable.
Yeah, I told.
Okay, brother, let me clear you.
First,
you haven't given me a chance to clarify.
First complete my thing. Okay. Actually, bro, your king is fighting. Last I met your king. I discussed your king in 10 minutes in Jantar Mantar. Okay.
When did you meet last?
Last time Jantar Mantar.
That is on the rally.
David came from rally. That day I met your king. But
fine. That's really nice to know. That's
my request. Here all minimum 70 to 80% all working under Vijay Dev Burma. You are ignoring Vijay Dev Burma. Your program is not success.
Now, can I know who has told you about this ignorance?
Everything I know. You
might have known later.
No.
Sir, you are not ready to listen to what I'm going to say.
Yes, tell me.
If you are a good organizer, you should be listening to every point.
Yes,
right?
tell me.
Let me tell you. I came to Hyderabad, had a meeting with all the team members. Even a person or 3 or 4 people from Bijoy's team were also there along with me.
All team, Vijay team only strong.
Listen. Now you are feeling they're all strong, right? I agree and I accept it. I appreciate their efforts. I am not ignoring them or I am not denying them. I told them, come, we are working together as a Tiprasa, as Thansa, right? Bijoy Devarma was part of my team earlier.
Okay, earlier. Okay.
I'm telling you clearly now, back when he started in this Bijoy Devarma as the leader.
Yes.
Later part, couple of other team has come saying, let us also create another team. So I said, okay, go ahead, no problem. I don't mind. And they did that. I have no objection on that as well. Even in this event, I have asked them, I have invited them, spoke to them in a meeting saying in a face-to-face, okay? I came to Hyderabad for a face-to-face only for this. I told them, this is what it is.
You met Vijay Dev Burma?
Vijay Dev Burma, I had been calling him. I had been asking.
You met Vijay Dev Burma?
I haven't met him yet.
Vijay Dev Burma is doing very well in Hyderabad.
I know what Bijoy is doing. I had called Bijoy a couple of times. I had texted him Bijoy also a couple of times, but I have not got any response from him.
When you are coming Hyderabad?
I came to Hyderabad. How come Johor Burma has reached?
When you are coming?
I don't remember the date. Probably on 9th November or so. No.
Yes, 9th
November. Later part after 9. Probably 9, 10. 11 November or so.
9, 10, 11, we'll sit the Tripura Tansa session along with you.
See, No. You are asking when I am coming to Hyderabad. No,
Yes, yes.
I'm saying I came to Hyderabad. मैं
नहीं
हैदराबाद
नहीं
आया
नहीं
था.
नहीं नहीं, next time,
नहीं
next time,
अब
next time, next time
नेक्स्ट
when you
टाइम
are
तो
coming.
मैं प्रोग्राम के लिए ही आएगा.
In case without Vijay Devarma, your program will not success. I'm clearly I'm telling.
Why would I even think without Vijay Devarma my program will not succeed? Now you are
Raj
dividing it here. I am not dividing here, my
Raj Bhavan
brother.
is forcing to conduct the same day big program.
Okay, I don't mind. I don't mind if
Okay.
Raj Bhavan is
नहीं नहीं
conducting
नहीं,
or whatever it is.
you are in
See, you are
you are
going with
नहीं
the
नहीं
whole
नहीं नहीं,
Northeast, right?
you are in
If you
Bangalore.
are
नहीं
going
नहीं
with the
नहीं
whole
नहीं
Northeast, you should be going along with
नहीं नहीं नहीं
everything.
नहीं
नहीं,
नहीं
सर
नहीं
सर
नहीं
सर
नहीं,
आप
you
आप मेरी बात सुनने के लिए
नहीं
रेडी
नहीं
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 हो रहा है.
नहीं
नहीं,
नहीं
आप
नहीं,
सिर्फ
you
ना ब्लाइंडली
you
जो बताया गया है वही फॉलो कर रहा है,
नहीं
बट
नहीं,
आप हमारे बात सुनने के लिए
you
रेडी
are
नहीं
in
हो रहा है.
Bangalore. Vijay
अगर
Devarma
हम
नहीं
बैंगलोर में हो
नहीं,
या जहां भी हो फर्क नहीं पड़ता. हमारा पूरा फील्ड होता है पूरा साउथ इंडिया में, वो
ठीक
समझो
है.
बात को.
वेलकम, नो
तो
इश्यूज,
ये
थैंक यू.
बात को समझो ना मेरे भाई. आप
नहीं नहीं
लेकिन
नहीं,
यहाँ डिवाइड एंड रूल हम नहीं
आप
खेल रहे.
डिवाइड
यहाँ
रूल कर रहे हैं, आप
डिवाइड एंड
डिवाइड
रूल
रूल कर
आप
रहे हैं.
खेल रहे हैं, हम नहीं
नहीं
खेल
नहीं
रहा
नहीं
है.
नहीं,
नहीं 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 नहीं
लोकल में
आप बोल रहे हैं लोकल
लोकल
हो
में
या
जो
जो भी
काम कर
हो.
रहा है उसको इग्नोर
सुनो,
करके तुम
लोकल
नया
में
लो.
जो भी हो बहन उसको बोलो मेरे से बात करे एक बार नॉट इवन नाउ, नॉट इवन ए सिंगल
नहीं,
टाइम येट
अबे
रेस्पॉन्डेड टू माय कॉल.
बात नहीं करते जी.
सर अगर नहीं
आप
करना है ना
यू
तो
पिक,
मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
नहीं नहीं,
विजय देवरमा मेरे से बात नहीं करेगा.
यू
कौन
पिक
है विजय देवरमा जो मेरे साथ बात करेगा?
यू पिक ए
अगर
रॉन्ग
उसका
पर्सन.
हिम्मत है, अगर विजय देवरमा के पास हिम्मत है तो मेरे से बात करने के लिए बोलो. ऐसा
ठीक है,
उल्टा सीधा जाके पीछे कुछ उल्टा सीधा बात करना ना बोले. इफ ही
देखेंगे
इज अ
जी,
गुड लीडर, ही शुड बी अ
नहीं
गुड
नहीं
लीडर.
देखेंगे. ठीक है, राइट, ओके.